Hi, I'm Brett with Oklahoma Technical College. I'm a diesel instructor. Today I'm going to talk to you about checking your fluids. What we're working on is a Class 8 tractor. This applies though to your car or your pickup truck. So some things we want to look at. Engine oil is a big area. And so on this truck we're going to pull the dipstick and look at the level on the dipstick. And so what you can see is that there are two lines on your dipstick. We've got the low and the full area. And we always want our oil to be in that area. It can be all the way up to the max. We'd like to keep it as close to max as possible at all times, but anywhere in that area is safe. So what we're going to do is clean that oil off that dipstick and reinsert it, and then get a good reading. And we are within our area of running area for oil. We want to do this with the engine off, not on. There are some other fluids like transmission fluids where the engine may have to be running, the transmission may need to be warmed up, either in park or neutral depending on the vehicle. But for engine oil, checking it cold is okay with the engine off. Now if your engine's been running, if you've been driving down the road frequently with it or recently, we want to let it stop, shut the engine off, and let it sit for a while before we check it. That allows that oil to drain back into the pan before we check it. All right, hopefully this will help you out with checking your oil on your car. Thanks.